Hello my dear friends, in this video I would like to discuss about walk, trail, circuit, pulse and cycle in a graph. And first of all, walk. What is walk? Walk is a sequence of vertex and edges of a graph. Walk is a sequence of vertex and edges of a graph. Okay, when we want to trail in a graph, we have to pause some edge and some vertex. It means we are making a walk. In the walk, we can repeat the edge and vertex. For example, actually, we are donated the walk by W, and this graph we can make a walk by starting the vertex 1, then I can go to vertex 2, then vertex 3, vertex 2, then I can come back and vertex 1, I can again come to vertex 3, vertex 4, like this. It is a walk in a graph. In a graph we have two types of walk: open walk and close walk. Open walk is a walk to if the start and end of vertex are not same, it's called an open walk. For example, this is an open walk. And close walk is a walk to the start and end vertex are same in a graph. For example, if I trail from vertex 3, then I can come to vertex 4, then vertex 5, and again if I come to vertex 3, it is also a walk, but it's called a close walk. Okay, let's go to trail. What is a trail in a graph? Trail is an open walk in which no edge is repeated. No edge will be repeated and trail. May the vertex repeat in the trail, but edge will not repeat it in the trail of a graph. For example, if I trail from vertex from the edge from vertex number 1, trail actually you are denoted by T, and if I come from here to here, from 1 to 3, then from 3 to 4, and then I can come here to vertex 5, and again I go to vertex 3 and come to vertex 2. It is a trail and a graph. Please see in here, I didn't repeat it any edge in during this trail and this graph, but we can repeat vertex. Edge will not repeat, but vertex will be repeat. As in this trail, from here to I came here and again to 3 and then to 2 I went. And this trail I repeated that vertex number 3. It is a trail. Okay. And circuit. Circuit. What is a circuit in a graph? Traveling a graph such that not an edge is repeated, but vertex can be repeated and it is closed. Also, we can say it means a closed travel is and a graph, it is a circuit. It means circuit is a closed travel. Travel, as we told in travel, we can repeat a vertex, but not allowed to repeat an edge. Okay, a closed travel we called a circuit. Let me show in this graph. For example, I want to consider a circuit of this graph. Such one more thing I want to mention here: the start vertex, any vertex. We can start from any vertex of a graph, walk, trail, circuit, paths, or anything. We can consider the start vertex. Now I'm consider this vertex number 5, the start vertex. I am moving from here to vertex 2, and from vertex 2 I coming to vertex 1, and from vertex 1 I can come to vertex 3, then we can go to vertex 5. It is a trail, and in this trail we repeat some vertex, but we have to be clear. And trail we don't have any edge repeat. Edge will not be repeat and trail and the circuit, and the circuit of a graph. Circuit of a graph is a closed trail. It is a closed trail, and the trail, as we told, the vertex may repeat, but it will not repeat it. And paths. What is a path in a graph? Actually, the paths the path is also, we can say, and here will not repeat edge and vertex. We can say it is a walk such that all of the vertex and edge should be distinct, should be different. For example, if I start, if I want to create a path in this graph, we can start from one of this vertex. For example, I want to make a path of this graph by starting trail from vertex 4, and then I can go to vertex 5, then I can go to vertex 2, then I can go to vertex 1. It is a part of this graph, and we can make some other parts of this graph also, like I can start the trail from vertex 2, then I can come to vertex 5 and vertex 6. It is also a trail and a graph. Okay, the last one, cycle. What is the cycle of a graph? A cycle is in a graph. It is also we can say it is a walk when a path is closed. When a path is closed, it's cycle. A closed path, it is a cycle. For example, cycle of this graph is, if I start from 3, from vertex 3, then vertex 4, vertex 5, and again come to vertex 3, it is a cycle in this graph. A cycle, it means it is a path to start and end vertices same. If n vertex and start vertex and end vertex of a points be coincide, then we can say it is a cycle of a graph. Thanks for watching this video. See you then.